Ayan guys, for today's video, yaman-yamanan serye tayo. Meron tayong Wagyu steak. And then meron din tayong salad. Thai salad. Commercial break. Wow, steak. Mayaman ang person. Anak ng contractor. Char, eme. Wow. Thai salad. Wow, sarap. Yummy, yummy. Wow, the Wagyu steak. Look like yummy, yummy. Guys, syempre, yaman-yamanan serye tayo. Ilagay muna natin ang sauce. Syempre, pag mayaman daw, ang unang sineserve is salad. Kaya, feeling rates tayo for today's video. Wow, my favorite time, tikiman time. Sarap. Sarap guys ng Thai salad. Ayan guys, paubos ng ating salad. Dito naman tayo sa steak guys, Wagyu. Wow, sarap. Wala muna tayong rice, mag-ano muna tayo. Ano ba yan? Ayan guys, tatry na natin itong steak. Siyempre may pa may pa knife for this steak. Wow. First bite, steak. Wow. Sarap. Sarap guys. Hindi tayo marunong gumamit ng knife. Mashed potato. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Lokal. Mashed potato pala to. Sarap. Paano ba gumamit itong knife? Hindi tayo marunong guys. Sarap. Ayan guys, salamat sa panonood. Syukran, nagyaman. See you in my next vlog.